So there's this guy named Pseudo-Chef who attempted to kill himself after shutting down all his accounts. Don't know what caused it, but I do know that this is another example of why the anime community is a joke and nobody should demand respect. You saw my video. I've been depressed over the past few days. I didn't kill myself and sure as hell didn't gun down my whole family. By the way, that fucker is about to surpass me in subs. Killing your family and being in prison for 5 years gives you more subs than me. Yeah, this is the anime community, ladies and gentlemen. This is what counts as quality. This is what's worth subbing to. I tolerate internet insults for about 2 decades, and I still talk about it like a normal human being. Because that is what I am compared to these guys. So the next time you feel like insulting me because I don't consider One Punch Man to be a masterpiece, remember, you don't have an alternative. I'm the most normal anime fan there is. Wanting me to kill myself is not to your benefit. Hey, mom, come see. This guy here, he killed himself because he watches modern anime. Yeah, the same community I'm part of, mom. You're not very proud, are you? Well, who cares? I'm normal.